If you're getting this error message from GeForce Now and the error says an unknown error occurred, relaunch GeForce Now and then try to launch the game again. And then it shows an error code here as you see here on the screenshot. Now this tutorial will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Make sure to follow the instructions very carefully. In most cases, this problem occurs as a result of your internet connection. Now I'll guide you on how to fix the issue. First, try resetting your network settings. So if you're on PC, you can press Windows+I and then select here on network and internet. Now on the network and internet, scroll down, select advanced network settings, and then you'll see an option network reset. So click here reset now. This will remove, then reinstall all your network adapters and set other network components back to their original settings. After resetting now, the PC should ask you to restart your PC. So make sure to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, now try to check if the problem has been fixed. If you're still experiencing the same issue, now connect to a VPN. Just download and install Cloudflare WAP VPN. The link will be available on the description. Why do I tell you to use a VPN? I just went to the GeForce Now general chat community, and lots of people were just facing the exact same error code that you're seeing on the screenshot. And the solution that worked for so many people is just to use Cloudflare WAP VPN. Even if you go to subreddit forum for this GeForce Now, you can see someone is facing the exact same issue with an error code, this one, and the solution was to use Cloudflare WAP VPN. So just go to this link here. I'll put the link on the description, and make sure to download this Cloudflare WAP. After downloading it based on your device, it will found here on the system tray. So once you install this Cloudflare WAP, it will come here on the system tray. You should see this icon here for Cloudflare WAP. So if you click on this icon here, you can see an option to connect. So if you just turn on this switch here, it will start connecting. So once it's connected, just like this, it will say connected, your internet is private. Now restart your GeForce Now and then try to check if the problem has been resolved. So far, this has been the best fix for so many people. So make sure to try using Cloudflare WAP VPN. If it all fails, you can switch to a different network temporarily. Use a mobile hotspot or connect to another Wi-Fi network and it will work. So maybe if you don't want to use Cloudflare WAP VPN, the problem may be your ISP. You can switch to a different network temporarily. Use a mobile hotspot or connect to another Wi-Fi network and it will work. So this is the best guide on how to fix this error code here, which says an unknown error occurred, relaunch GeForce Now and then try to launch the game again. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.